Hello, hello. There you go. Boy. Talking about morning, mate. So we're just going through. We're talking about some of the trades in yesterday and all of this volatility with the news from Trump thinking that they were going to fire Jerome Powell. turns out it's fake news. This could be an interesting trade. Could be an interesting trade. Back into this, filling in this gap. Let's have a look on the higher time frame, what we've got. Maybe. I don't think that will be the one that I'm going to be putting my money behind, to be honest. Quite weak on everything. Don't really see a lot of these moves have already happened really early on in the session. That looks like a nice break, retest, and it could be a continuation down to take out that point of origin. That's one trade that I could see that could possibly work. But pound is quite strong today, so I'm not too sure. Potential breakout on Euro Australian. I've had retests of prior highs pre-break. Could be a really nice one. What are you looking at, Dino? You got a trade idea? Wow, it's really pushing up. Maybe we will get into this one. Maybe this is the trade for the day. See if we can get a retest. Gonna look for something like that. Let's have a look at what gold's doing, since I know Dino loves gold. Yeah, ranges within ranges. Very difficult, this one, to get a bias. Because you can look at that and be like, okay, potentially you've got a long. Yeah. Very difficult. And that would be a nice target as well. It's a very nice target for Euro Australian. Okay, let's see if we can get this set up. I'm going to risk 1,000, so 1%. I'm going to do a buy. I'm going to do buy stop right there underneath that level. That's what we're looking at. Oof. Glad you like it. Yeah, mate. Super, super simple. You got your risk calculator as well, so you don't need to worry about that. Really good. See if we can get buy. Controlling your emotions, definitely, mate. Perfect entry. You don't even need to find a perfect entry. There's no such thing as a perfect. There is obviously a great perfect entry, but I don't really care about the entry, to be honest. As long as I get the direction. If I can get the direction right, if I'm paying a little bit more on the trade because I've got in prematurely or a little bit late, I really don't care. The emotions are the thing that you need to watch out for, especially when you're winning, or it could be anything. The emotions are the things that can really play around with you. Let's say like you're on a winning streak, and then you suddenly lose, and then you hit it again because you want to get back in, and you want to make your money back, and then you start spiraling into this type of revenge trading. Those are the kind of emotions that really hold you back from progressing. But the better your edge is, the better you know how to trade. Like the more the better you are at trading, the less impact your emotions have, to be honest. Because if you go into drawdown, you know you've got an edge. It doesn't matter because you know you're going to get out of it, and it doesn't play with your emotions as much. The only thing that does play on your emotions and can be very difficult for a lot of people, including myself, is the fact when you do win, you think you're winning, you can win all the time, and then you lose a little bit of your risk management, and you're a little bit blasé with some of your trades, and that's where the mistakes can come in. You blame the broker when your stop loss gets hit. Depends where my stop loss is. This looks like a little bit of a flag pattern. It looks like it could push up. Debating whether it's just to get in now. Looks like it wants to crack. Right. I'm in at market. There you go. So got in. We're just in time. See, there you go. That's a good example of just getting in. My perfect entry would have been down here, but it was just didn't show. It didn't look like it was going to come down, so might as well just get into the trade. As long as you got the direction. In the perfect ball, I think for a perfect ball floating in OOD, retest of 179, but if it holds and breaks through, it all goes up. 7908. Look. Yeah. If that came down to 7908, I don't think I would be one. Well, depends. Could do. Could do. Could have been a nice ad. I'm only going to take it up to here. I'm not going to take it the full way. This is my target. Okay, we're getting close to the target. Have I ever danced while closing a big win trade? Good question. I've danced while I'm in the trade. And when I close the trade, I'm just glad that I closed it. Don't think I've ever danced after closing it though. Okay, we're a couple of points away, and then I'm getting out. It should be about a 1% gain on the account. And that's it. I'm probably done for the day. We're nearly there. Go on, should be a little bit of a push. Hopefully this is like a 3-candle push. The overall TP, I'd probably give it $79659 if I wasn't on the 1-minute time frame. But if I'm trading off the 1-minute time frame, then my targets are on the 1-minute time frame. My stop, I might have moved my stop a little bit too far in. Hopefully this is it. So we've got those 3, 3, 3. Each retracement as well. If you have a look at the retracements, they're pretty much the same. You got 6 pips, 6 pips, pretty much the same. 6, 7 pips. There you go. We are out. And that is it for the London session. I don't know who came in, but you've literally just missed it. We're going to be turning it off now. And we're going to be doing New York sessions soon as well, hopefully. So we've got somebody who will be doing New York session with me. And that's it. So we'll see you later, guys. Dino, see you soon, mate. I don't know who the other person is in here, but see you guys later. Bye. Where's my scene to turn this off? It's disappeared.